Get ready to unbox Zirconia marvels as we present our customized components designed for high-tech industries. All Zirconia rods and parts are engineered to withstand extreme conditions, making them perfect for applications in petrochemical, metallurgy, and thermal power generation. With their superior hardness and corrosion resistance, Zirconia customized rods are a must-have for mechanical engineering and semiconductor production. Watch this video to see how our Zirconia mechanical parts can elevate your production standards. Place your order now and elevate your industry with Zirconia.